Hi guys, as you can see we have another box. So we're going to open this box and see what's inside. I already know what's inside, but I've been waiting for this for quite a while. Not really the box, but for somebody to make this product. Anyways, let's go here. Let's see. Actually I have two boxes, but we'll do this one first and then we'll get to the other one. And we have, oh, they changed from popcorn to plastic stuff. So there we have the new Athearn SD60E in the GoRail scheme, and I will be putting a link on the bottom of the video here for an NS did the painting video of them painting this locomotive, so I'll put a link for that because it's pretty neat. It's all done in stop motion, so it's very neat. And I'm going to put you on pause here for a minute while I get the other box. Okay, box 2 is a little bigger, but that doesn't mean there's more in it. Maybe a little bit more, but not much. So let's have a look to see. This one has popcorn, so that's going to be messy. But we'll figure that out. So here we have another SD60E. Get it in the camera here. And this one is SD60E7035, and the reason why I bought this is for some reason NS put a 3,900 liter or 3,900 gallon fuel tank under this one, as the other ones have a 4,000 gallon fuel tank. So I thought that'd be kind of interesting to have. And what else do we got down here? We have this car that runs on Union Pacific. It ran on the George Bush funeral train, as a lot of you might know if you're from the US. I watched that live too here, and I wanted this car. This car actually comes with the presidential seal, so you can put it on the car just like they had on the train. So I thought I'd get that just to have. And that's about all for now. I'll talk to you after. And as always, have a safe and terrific day, and thanks for watching.